Alright guys, welcome once again to our tutorial. So whenever I'm making reference to transparent background, this is what I mean. These are my design already made. Okay, these are my design already made. I don't want to go through the process all over again to save time. These are my design. Okay, so what you quickly do, just take it, you click on this last box here, then you select transparent. So it's already on transparent. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. I just increased the stroke. Okay, sorry, the stroke is what I increased. That is why you see it like this. You can see it. The stroke size is 48. Okay, so I now created another text, which is this on top, that is having the white. So that is how we make such creative design. So I'll be saving this now. So you save it as ultra. Okay, so that it will come out bold like quality. Okay, so now we've successfully saved the file. So let's swap down to our Photopea environment. So here is our Photopea environment. So you click on your file as usual, click on open. So here is the file we'll be using, this particular one, that is named 136 PSD. So you click on it, allow it to load. Okay, allow it to load. Just allow it to load. You take a couple of minutes for it to load, so just hold on. Okay, this is it now. So what you do, you click on your layer, click on smart objects, click on open. So here is the follow design already made before. Okay, so what you do now, you just go back to your file, click on open and place, click on it so that you can bring out your file. Okay, and here is the file we want to use, this one at the top. So you click on it, allow it to load again. Okay, just allow it to load, and here is it. You don't need to increase it because it's already it's okay like this. You don't need to increase it. Okay, so what you do, you just click on your lay, then disable this one, or you can decide to delete it from the bottom here. Okay, so you go back, click on save, open close bracket, smart object. So you click on it, and our smart object have been saved. So you click on your 136 PSD, which is it at the top here, click on it, then allow it to load. So I will be dropping the item I used to create this design, which is this kind of zigzag as on top of this plus. Okay, I will drop it alongside with the description or this particular logo. I will drop it in case you want to use it to make any design. Okay, so that's all for now. Then you just go and save. You export it as JPEG. Okay, you increase it to 100, then you download. Immediately you click on the save button, you now download. Okay, alright, so it's downloading now. So here is our design. Here is the outcome of the design. If you watch now, it's looking good, it's okay. So this is how we do our mockup design. Okay, this will be all for now. See you in our next class. And please, I'm begging you, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever we drop a new video, you will be the first to see the video. Thank you.